Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register. Hey everyone, here's the question for today's video. If the radius of the circle is 3.5 cm, what is the area of the equilateral triangle ABC? Pause the video if you want to answer this question first. Now let's answer this question together. First, let's draw a line from the edge A to the center of triangle, and then draw another line from the center of triangle to the midsection of the triangle side. It should be known that all inner angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Hence, we know that the angle between the two lines is also equal to 60 degrees. As we can see, this is a right angle triangle. Since the sum of all inner angle in any triangle is 160 degrees, we can note that this missing angle is 30 degrees, which is the same as this angle, since the line we created earlier bisects the inner angle of this triangle. In the question, we know that the radius of the circle is 3.5 cm. Using trigonometry, we can find the half of the triangle base. Using the tangent formula, where tangent theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Here we take 30 degrees as the tangent angle, the circle radius as the opposite, and half of the triangle base as the adjacent. From this, we got tan 30 degrees equal to 3.5 over x. After calculation, we got that x is equal to 7 root of 3 over 2. Since the triangle base is equal to 2x, hence, we got that the length of the triangle base is equal to 7 root of 3 cm. Now let's find the height of this triangle to calculate its area. From before, we know that all inner angle of this triangle is 60 degrees. And we also know that half of the side of this triangle is x, and the side of this triangle is 2x. To calculate the height, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. From this theorem, we can know that h squared is equal to 2x inside bracket squared minus x squared. Hence, h squared is equal to 4x squared minus x squared, or also equal to 3x squared. Since we know previously that x is equal to 7 root 3 over 2, we can substitute it into this equation to get the following. Calculating this, we got that h squared is equal to 3 times 147 over 4, which is equivalent to 441 over 4. Hence, the height of this triangle is equal to 21 over 2 or 10.5 cm. After getting the value for the triangle base and the triangle height, we can now calculate its area. Using the formula, we got that the area of this triangle is equivalent to 1 over 2 times 10.5 times 7 root of 3. And by calculation, it is equivalent to 36.75 root of 3 or 63.65287 cm squared. Thank you for watching this video. Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.